Hello viewers, now we dive into the world of beautiful X-Mix ornaments and crochet ornaments, handmade crochet work. So it is time to grow your business. So it is the upcoming festival, and you can make some beautiful project and go viral for it. So you can post in your social media, purchase some Google ads, and you can make project and sell it on every platform like eBay, Etsy, and wherever you want to sell it. And first of all, this best part of crochet art is it is a very mindful idea. It's a very relaxing anti-stress ideas for every woman. Every most of the women make it, and every person who made it, this is a very interesting and easy and relaxing idea. So hope you like that all ideas and designs. People also wants to watch and create designs, and people also wants to make different type of things like that. So hope you like the designs and ideas. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you want to watch more designs like this, more ideas like this, we will try to upload, and whatever you want to watch, we will try to upload best designs for you. If you want to watch more designs like this, more ideas like this, you can watch our channel, and we gives you the best and beautiful ideas, best tips for you. So have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Take care, stay blessed. We will give you the best advice and best ideas. We try to upload very interesting ideas and designs. Watch till the end. In this video, we show you very creative and interesting ideas like this. First of all, we gives you our X-Mix ornaments designs, and then we will give you daily process, daily uses, center, and very beautiful designs in this video we will give you. So thanks for watching. Stay blessed. Inspire your creativity. Crochet isn't just about making things with yarn, it's about relaxation, patience, and creating beauty stitch by stitch. Over the next few minutes, we will explore the history, tools, techniques, and some inspiring we will give you in this video. Obviously, handmade and mated crochet designs, ideas you can try at home. So, crochet has been around for centuries. The word itself comes from the French yarn, meaning a small hook, thread by thread. From delicate lace in Europe to colorful blankets and garments around the world, crochet has carried stories of culture and tradition. What makes crochet unique is the endless variety and simple hook can create pattern ranging from delicate flowers to cozy sweaters. Every handmade piece holds not only yarn but also time, care, and love. So it's time to grow business. You can make your own business, you can create your own brand, you can make very beautiful design with crochet and sell it on many platforms like Insta, eBay, Etsy. To begin crochet, you only need two things: yarn, a hook, and a hook. Hooks come in different sizes. Smaller hooks are perfect for fine detail work like dollies, while larger hooks pair well with chunky yarn for quick cozy projects. Yarn, on the other hand, comes in every color and texture imaginable. Soft cotton is great for dishcloths, durable acrylic works for blankets, and wool is perfect for yarn winter wear. Choosing the right yarn and hook combination is the very first step towards success in crochet. You can make it a bottle cover, and you can make it a centerpiece. Some ordinary bottles turn into extraordinary centerpiece with your effort. At the heart of crochet are a few basic stitches. The most common are the chain stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. So creative. With just these, you can already create serves, blanket, and and even garments. The chain stitch acts as the foundation. The single crochet is short and firm, while the double crochet is taller and creates softer drapier fabric. By containing these stitches in different patterns, you open the door to endless designs. Crochet isn't limited to blankets and scarves. You can make cute amigurumi toys, ornaments, covers, stylish handbags, delicate table runners, or even fashionable cardigans. One of the most popular projects for beginners is the classic granny square. Each small square can be made individually and later joined to create a blanket, cushions, cover, or even a jacket. The joy of crochet lies in watching a simple strand of yarn transform into something useful, beautiful, and long lasting. Crochet is more than a craft, it's a therapy. The rhythmic motion of pulling yarn through loops helps reduce stress and anxiety. Many people find it meditative, a calming break from the fast pace of daily life. Plus, it keeps your hands busy and your mind creative. This is the best thing of it, the sense of achievement you feel, and this is the achievement you feel when finishing a project, no matter how small, is truly rewarding. As we wrap up the crochet showcase, I hope you feel inspired to pick up a hook and try it for yourself, remembering every expert crocheter once started with a single stitch. Be patient, enjoy the process, and allow your creativity to guide you. With every loop and every stitch and every twist of yarn, you are not just making something handmade, you are making something heart made. So remember these things. Thank you for joining this crochet journey. Happy crocheting. Hope you like these designs and ideas, and you want to know more about them. You want to watch more ideas like this, you can tell us on our comment section below the video. So if you want to learn and if you want to watch more designs like this, so tell us on the comment section. We will try to upload according to your demand, according to your wish. It's an art form that brings joy, creativity, and relaxation to people all over the world. In this slideshow, we will explore the fascinating history of crochet, the essential tools, and hope you like the designs. So crochet is believed to have originated in the 16th century, although the exact origins and debated. Some say it begins in France, others in China or Arabia, but wherever it started, crochet quickly spread across Europe and beyond. In the 19th century, it became especially popular in Ireland, where women used to create lace that helped support their families during hard times. Over the years, crochet has evolved from delicate lace dollars to colorful blankets and fashion pieces. What has never changed, however, is the creativity and care behind every stitch. So keep shining like a star.